If you were enrolled in the SAVE plan, which the courts have now declared illegal, you have 90 days from July 1st. To switch to a new repayment plan before your loan servicer automatically moves you to a higher payment you had no say in choosing. That 90-day clock is running right now. 7.5 million borrowers are in this window. Most of them have no idea what to do next. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to enroll in RAP, the new repayment assistance plan, step by step on StudentAid.gov. I'll walk you through how to decide in 60 seconds whether RAP is actually the right choice for you. And I'll cover the 3 mistakes that quietly delay your enrollment by weeks. If you want every student loan change explained in plain English before it hits your wallet, subscribe right now. I drop new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This summer is one of the most important windows in student loan history. Here's the situation in plain terms. The SAVE plan was the Biden administration's income-driven repayment plan. It offered very low payments and promised loan forgiveness. Federal courts ruled it was created unlawfully. The plan is dead. 7.5 million people were enrolled in SAVE when the court struck it down. Those borrowers were placed in an administrative forbearance, meaning payments were paused. On July 1st, 2026, that forbearance ends. Servicers start sending 90-day notices. You have 90 days from the date your servicer contacts you, which means most borrowers are looking at a hard deadline around September 29th to pick a new plan. If you do nothing, your servicer will move you automatically. Either the standard repayment plan or the new tiered standard plan. Both are fixed payment plans with no income adjustment. This video is your action plan to avoid that. Before we get into enrollment steps, you need to know which plan to choose. There are 2 real options, RAP or IBR. RAP, the Repayment Assistance Plan, is the brand new plan launching July 1st. Payments are set at 1 to 10% of your entire adjusted gross income. There's a $10 minimum, and if you have dependents, you get a $50 reduction per dependent per month. Forgiveness comes at 30 years. IBR, Income-Based Repayment, is the older plan. It calculates your payment based on discretionary income, your AGI minus 150% of the federal poverty guideline. Here's the 60-second decision. Pick RAP if your income is under about $80,000, you have a high loan balance, and you want the protection of never having your balance grow. Pick IBR if your income is above $90,000, you're close to the 20 or 25-year forgiveness mark, or you're on the public service loan forgiveness track. One critical note, if you have Parent Plus loans, RAP is not available to you. Your options are income contingent repayment or calling your servicer directly. This is the piece that makes a RAP genuinely different. Under the old plans, if your payment didn't cover interest, the unpaid interest was added to your balance. Your balance would grow. RAP fixes this in 2 ways. First, the interest waiver. If your payment is less than the interest, RAP waives the difference. Your balance doesn't grow. 0 interest capitalization. Second, the principal match. If your payment doesn't reduce your balance by at least $50, the government kicks in a subsidy to guarantee your balance drops by $50 that month. Let's put real numbers on it. Say your RAP payment is $120, but your loan accrues $170 in interest. RAP waives the $50 gap. Your balance stays flat. Then RAP adds a $50 principal credit. Your balance actually goes down $50 that month, even though your payment didn't cover the full interest. That's structural protection. Save borrowers lost. RAP enrollment opens July 1st on StudentAid.gov. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1. Log into StudentAid.gov using your FSA ID. If you've forgotten your FSA ID, you can reset it on the same site. Do this before July 1st so you're not scrambling. Step 2. Navigate to Manage Loans. Click Repayment Plans, then apply for income-driven repayment. Step 3, select RAP from the drop-down. Step 4, this is important. When the application asks for your income, grant IRS data consent. This allows the Department of Education to pull your AGI directly. It reduces your application time from roughly 20 minutes to about 4 minutes, and it eliminates the most common reason applications get flagged for manual review. Step 5. Verify that your loan servicer name is correct and submit the application. You'll receive a confirmation email within 24 to 48 hours. Your monthly payment amount will not change immediately. Expect a new bill within 30 to 60 days as your servicer processes the plan change. Ask your servicer if your due date is affected. I want to flag 3 mistakes. Mistake 1, applying through your loan servicer's portal instead of StudentAid.gov. Servicer portals are slower and might not have RAP on day 1. Mistake 2, skipping the IRS consent step. If you manually enter income, your application may be flagged for verification. That adds 2 to 3 weeks to your processing time. Mistake 3, assuming enrollment is instant. It takes 5 to 7 days for your servicer to receive it and another 30 to 60 days to show up on a bill. Trust the process. Let me give you your 3-point action plan. 1. Log into StudentAid.gov now to confirm your FSA ID. 2. Decide RAP or IBR. 3. Grant IRS data consent when you apply. The deadline is September 29th. You have time. But the borrowers who move first are the ones who control their outcome. Don't let your servicer auto-move you. If this video helped you figure out your next move, subscribe right now. I break down money decisions in plain English every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll see you on Monday.